Okay, so we've got the HONZIN knife here. It's a brilliant piece of kit. Oh, you're over there. So the HONZIN knife, brilliant piece of kit. It's got a corkscrew, screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. I think that's something to do with fishing. Descaler, maybe. And then another, I don't know what that is, but it's, oh, it's a file. That's right, there's a file there. And then here we have the carabiner, mini carabiner to hook it with. That's very handy. And that's there. Then on the other side we have bottle opener, which I've actually used as a tin opener as well. You can do it. So there's a bottle opener. And you've got a pair of scissors, handy, always handy. Then you've got the, that's the bottle opener, sorry. That is a tin opener. That's why I've used it as a tin opener. So bottle opener and tin opener. Then you've got one blade, straight blade. Two blades is a saw blade. And then this is the third one. And it's a slightly different saw blade. I think this is for actually cutting wood. I don't know what that's for. But it's got a thing in it. I think that might be a descaler actually. Who knows? I don't know. Anyway, so that's a knife. With everything out. Put it all out. You can see what you got. Yeah. See what you got. And it makes me wanna dance. Ooh, it's the wild one. All of those functions. And you know what? I like these holes. I don't know why, but I like them. They make it look cool. So there you go. That's the HONZIN knife, or HONZIN. All goes away nice and neatly, like that. You pull your carabiner out and you can hang it on your wherever, belt line, or what I do, I always wear my keys around my neck. Bosh, nice and easy, on, done. Here we go.
Con i vari, tutto in acciaio satinato nero, molto piccolo, con tutti i suoi inserti, i vari seghetti, il coltellino, abbiamo qua le forbicine, ecco qua i vari inserti, qua i cavatappi, abbiamo anche, eccoli qua da questa parte, un cacciavite, altri inserti, molto piccolo, un moschettone davvero compatto, ecco qui, neppure appena 9 centimetri, davvero molto piccolo, leggerissimo, tutto in acciaio, uno strumento davvero comodo in diverse situazioni. Anche grazie a questo moschettone lo potete agganciare alla cintura. Abbiamo un dispositivo completamente in acciaio, molto carino, sicuramente pratico, costa poco, un dispositivo da avere.
Strappa il foglio. Niente, non è buono. Neanche la seghetta qua. Aspetta. Ci passi la mano, la stessa cosa del coltello. Niente.
Exclusively available. So when we eat carbs, we spike our insulin and the other amino acids go away.